Hey guys, my name is Khalid and welcome to an unboxing of the Xbox One controller by PowerA. So I had the original Xbox One controller which came with my Xbox One X and it's knackered now. Pretty much all the rubber grommets come off and I thought it's time to invest in a new one. So I went onto Amazon, looked at controllers for around the £30 mark, and this is what I came across. If you want the links to the product itself, then do check out the description box below. So it has advanced gaming buttons, they are programmable, etc. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a very long USB cable that measures in at 3 meters, so you can sit back all the way in the couch and play on your large screen TV. When you open up the box, the first thing you will see is the controller, but before that I didn't realize there was actually a window that shows the illustration of the controller and how it's expertly engineered. We'll also get to manual inside to show you how to use the controller, but if you're familiar with the Xbox interface, I mean, it's going to be pretty easy, pretty much plug and play, right? Then we have the controller itself, brilliant color in blue, and we also have the 3-meter cable that has USB-A on one end and USB micro on the other. Very nice clicky sound on the analog, so I'll just give you a quick listen. Yeah, and the whole controller actually feels pretty strong, pretty sturdy. First impressions, it feels and looks very good. I thought it would feel a bit plasticky, not up to a good grade. But then we also have an addition of a share button that you won't get on your normal Xbox One controller. We also have a toggle which mutes your microphone, and you can put the volume up and down on the actual controller itself instead of fiddling on your headset. Now, although the mute toggle is a welcome addition, sometimes you do have to click it twice for it to register, but when you do click it in, it does light up red, so you know it's definitely on. I really do like the striking blue, so we have a lighter blue for the main body of the controller and a navy blue for the shoulder button and trigger buttons. And when I held down the trigger buttons, I played a Call of Duty Warzone and Rebirth Island for about a couple of hours. It felt pretty good. The feel quality on the original Xbox is probably slightly better, but just marginally. But I haven't had any issues, and on the back as well, this has 2 programmable buttons. In order to initiate it, you press the top button, hold it down for around a couple of seconds, then you either press one of the action button or your sliding button, your jumping button, and then you press the corresponding button on the left or right. And I actually found it quite useful because you can do drop shots or you can do jump shots quite easily. At the bottom we also have an insert for a 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the top we have a insert for the cable that's included for micro USB. One thing I don't like is the enclosure, so I tried it with another USB cable and it didn't fit because it's quite precise, but I guess the benefit of it is it won't come out too quickly. But there is always that safety mechanism. If someone does trip over, your controller won't go flying, it will just take the cable out. Alright guys, if you made it all the way to the end, thank you very much for watching. This was a quick unboxing of the PowerA controller for your Xbox One. If you do have any questions, do leave it in the comment section below. A review will be coming out shortly. As always, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.